Hello friends, welcome to DD Talk episode 1 where we update you with latest tech news around the world. So coming to the first news, Facebook adds an email style trash can to its garbage platform. So basically Facebook have added a new feature by which you can delete all your old posts. You have to just select all the old post according to the date range, and let us suppose you want to go back to 2016 and you want to delete post from the month of April. So you can just select the date range or the month and you can easily delete all your old posts from Facebook. So this feature is really useful when you want to delete all the old posts which you want to delete. So I hope you like this new feature by Facebook. Coming to the next story is HP new gaming laptop include an Omen 15 redesign and 16-inch pavilion. So basically HP is now redesigning this Omen 15 laptop, and it also coming up with 16-inch pavilion so that its user can use these new laptops, and they can be used for big gaming purpose or for many advanced purpose. So basically, HP have these kind of laptops which are really advanced, and it is also helpful for the people who want to use high end laptops. So basically HP is also coming up in this game so that it can fight with its competitors on getting up the new laptops and new advanced laptops. So if you are a HP a guy who loves HP laptop, for sure you should check out this feature, and for sure it will be very good for you when this laptops come out in the market. Next update we have from Apple tracking iPhone stolen during raids. So basically what happened is, as you know, that raids are going on all over USA, and what happened is people went into Apple stores and they have stolen the iPhones. So this is the tracking feature which Apple have introduced in their phones, so that all the iPhones which are stolen can be taken up, and they have also like disabled those phones remotely, and they have displayed a message on the screen that whosoever have stolen the phones should return the phones to the Apple store or the authorities. So as you know, the situation over in USA is not good right now, and there are riot going all over the country. So that is the reason many people have bombarded into the Apple stores and stolen the phone. So that feature has been introduced in those phones. Now coming up to the next story is LinkedIn introduces new targeting tool. So basically, as you know, that more people are coming online right now due to the pandemic, and that is the reason why the LinkedIn has introduced a new feature where you can target your audience, and you can use that tool to get to the right audience, target audience, and you can use in LinkedIn more better and from the earlier things. And now also you can basically LinkedIn is trying to get this feature so that more people are come to the platform, and you can use the LinkedIn platform more professionally in this COVID time. So the main agenda of the company is so that people can come over in the LinkedIn and use it more better, and use it more professionally. So this is the story for LinkedIn. Now coming to the next story. The next story is from Apple Music. Apple Music joined music industry Blackout Tuesday awareness campaign. So basically this campaign is for Blackout Tuesday is a campaign. Blackout Tuesday is a campaign organized by music industry to support Black Lives Matter after Minneapolis citizen George Floyd was killed by police in the course of his arrest. So basically this campaign is made by Apple Music so that they can promote this campaign to help and create an awareness about the Black Lives Matter. This also is also a initiative by the Apple so that it can show the support for the black people across the US and around the world, and so that these kind of things which happen in the US doesn't repeat. So thank you guys, these are the today's update from the tech world. Hope you like these news. If you like the news, just hit the like button, Also comment down any kind of news which you want us to feature. You can always DM us on Instagram. Our Instagram channel is mentioned in the in the description section. Thank you so much. If you like the news today, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye. Take care.